Hey friends, it's Mr. Patrick from the Pleasant Hill Library here, and we are teaming up once again with Pleasant Hill Rec and Park to bring back the Tinkers and Thinkers Innovation Fair. Now, it's really important right now that we limit our exposure to big crowds, get COVID under control. So, it's going to be virtual again this year, but that means we're going to be building awesome projects together all across town. It's going to be wonderful. It's going to be virtual. I think you should join us. This is how it's going to work this year. Step 1. Sign up for your kit or kits at phtinkersandthinkers.com. It's super simple, but you got to do that first. All right? The projects inside this kit are awesome for makers 5 and up, especially with help from an older adult. Now, step 2. Make your plans. The event is going to happen on September 18th, but since we're not getting together in the park, you should invite over friends, family, neighbors, or head over to their place to make the projects inside this kit. Step 3, pick up your kit. You need to come on down to the Pleasant Hill Rec Community Center on Civic Drive the week before the event. Starting on Monday the 13th, head on over there and grab your kit so you're ready to make. And step 4, the unboxing. Now, don't do it yet. You gotta wait until the morning of September 18th. That's when we go live with all of the instructions and maybe some surprises on our website. All right, then you'll know exactly what to build. We're not going to do the crazy Zoom thing again this year. Everything's pre-recorded, so you can play it back and watch it again and explore how you can make all of the cool projects inside the box. What's inside, you ask? You want to know what's in here? You want some spoilers? Let's see here. What can I say without giving too much away? There's a stampede of horses in here, and a miniature rainbow. You think I'm joking, but I'm not. In order to find out what I'm talking about, you gotta get your box. So go onto the website and reserve some now for our Tinkers and Thinkers Innovation Fair 2021. I'll be making with you on September 18th.